Well, winter is coming. Summer's coming to an end. And while you're thinking about it, it's time to start considering your winterization needs. Now, you're going to want to look at the engine specifications from the manufacturer to decide what you need to do to winterize your engine. You're probably going to have to, if you have an IO, drain the water jacket, change the lower unit grease to prevent from freezing, and there may be some other things. But you're also going to want to consider how you're going to protect the boat from Mother Nature, from the elements, snow, rain, all the other stuff that we don't want inside our boats during the winter. When you consider that, there's things such as shrink wrap, indoor storage, and of course Transhield, which would be our solution. You can find our Transhield covers online on Amazon, and if you have any questions, you can certainly reach out to us. We wish you the best of luck as the summer season comes to an end, and that you have a great winter.